Good morning, friends. Wow, it is another rainy day, so it's time for a rainy day challenge. Today, we're gonna get 100 things. 100. Do you think we can do it? I know we can. Did you know that 10 groups of 10 makes 100? So that is 10 groups of 10 things makes 100. Now, 10 is easy peasy. We can all count to 10. We know that. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. So 10 groups of 10 makes 100. So what I did today was got a bunch of stuff from around the house that we can make groups of 10 with to get all the way to 100. You can do it with me, and then you can do it on your own too. So I have all this stuff here. I'll show you what it is, and then I'll put it back over here so we can all see. Just stuff from around my house. I got some pens. I have earrings. I have noodles, some hair ties, Cheerios, toothpicks. This is a sewing kit with needles and thread. Okay. My rack collection. These are Q-tips, cotton swabs for your ears or other things that we might use them for. And some nuts. Just things from around my house that I can use to count with. Let's start with, how about the rocks? Let's make a group of 10 from the rocks. All right, you can help me. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you know what? Let me move it back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rocks. There's our first group. Easy as that. Let's do another one. Let's do now, how about the noodles? Let's do our noodles. I'm gonna open them up. These are just little guys. They're shell noodles. And we need to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm putting them in rows like this as I count because it's one way to stay organized, and we can know we can count like that. So now we have 2 groups of 10. Rocks and noodles. What's next? How about the toothpicks? The toothpicks. We're gonna do another group. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. Oh, it's kind of cool. This is looking pretty the way these are organized like this. All right, there's our next group. We're on to group number 4. How about let's do my earrings? How about that? These are all hoop earrings. They're in the shape of a circle. Not wear those most days. All right, 1, 2. Ooh, these ones might be long because some of them are big. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, whoa. Let's fix that up here. We're at number 4 still. The hoops got caught. The circles were caught with each other. Okay, so we're at number 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 earrings. Let's double check that one because it got a little bit messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did it! All right, done with the earrings. Let's move right along. How about the Cheerios? Here we go. Cheerios. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's 10 Cheerios. Let's scoot them over a little bit. 10 Cheerios. How many groups have we made so far? We've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far we've made 5 groups. We're trying to make 10 groups. So how many more do we need to make? We've made 5. We're trying to make 10 groups. How many more do we need to make? 5 more groups. Easy as that. All right, let's move right along so we can do it together. How about let's do the thread? Okay, I know that in here there are bunches of spools of thread. What do you sew with? So let's see if we have 10 of them. Okay, there they all are. 1, oh, why don't we stand them up like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 spools of thread. Okay, next group. How about we do the toothpicks? Excuse me, not the toothpicks. We already did those. These are cotton swabs or Q-tips. There we go. Open them up. Here we go. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have 10. It might be a little bit off, but I have 10 Q-tips there. 10 Q-tips. Let's keep going. I know we need to do, how about the hair ties? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let me see if I can move this back so we can. Wow. I dropped it. Let's see what we can do so that you can see all of my groups. Well, let's get adjusted here. Let's see how I can get this done. Thanks for hanging in there with me, guys. Hold on. Nope, that's not gonna work. Nope, that's not gonna work either. Well, you know what? I'll just hold you. So far, we have all, wow, look at that. That is really neat. Sorry, I couldn't get the camera set up. I'm gonna hold it like this. So far, we have our groups of 10 rocks, 10 noodles, 10 toothpicks, 10 earrings, 10 Cheerios, 10 spools of thread, 10 Q-tips, 10 hair ties. The last thing left to do, we have not done the nuts or the pens. The nuts and the pens. And then we'll have made all 10 groups to get to 100. I'll finish these two. Now, what can you find to make 10 groups of 10 and get all the way to 100 on this rainy day challenge? I can't wait to hear about it. All right, let's check it out one more time. It's just so beautiful when we make those collections, right? It almost looks like art. All right, I can't wait to see yours. See you later.